We're back at Beltzville. Huh? No, he's not gonna survive a whole winter in a freaking bulletin board.
Stick bug.
Stick bug? What's a stick bug?
It's like a stick. Usually it doesn't last you longer than that.
Depends if it's stick.
What about
and if it's a really hot day.
What about Mountain Dew? What about Mountain Dew?
We're taking you through our secret waterfall entrance. Don't tell anybody, it'll be our secret.
You can stick with your soda, I'll stick with my water.
Are you recording that?
Yeah.
Yes, I am.
He also posts videos on Facebook and
We're just walking straight down, right?
I don't remember the way we went last time.
Oh, we went to the path.
And me and Dale went through there, yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Well, that's a path too, so.
I know, but that didn't. Do they bike on those trails?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's for biking up there.
Well, any pathways for biking.
When I used to live, we had like 4-wheelers. We made our own trail.
No more 4-wheelers unless you're not
That
gonna
wasn't a
fall off.
4-wheeler. That was a dirt bike.
Okay.
And we were racing. So.
Here's a question, what's the difference?
4-wheelers have 4-wheelers. They're both
Right. Dude, what's the difference between a dirt bike and a 4-wheeler? What's the difference? Dirt bike has 2 wheels and the other one has 4 wheels.
That's what I said. A 4-wheeler.
Okay.
4-wheeler. It has 4 wheels.
You know what a quad is?
A dirt bike has 2.
Okay.
Quad.
Yeah, you know what a quad is?
Yeah.
Quad, that's 4.
Yeah, it's a 4-wheeler.
No,
It's a little small one.
It's like for smaller people.
Yeah.
Kids don't.
So,
You have those shoes too. Where do you guys get those? Do they hurt? Shoe Depot. No.
they don't really hurt.
They're comfy. So when you step on a rock, you can't really feel it?
Not really.
It's like regular shoes.
It's just for water, so you don't wear socks.
No.
I have a pair.
The other shoes that you wear for the water, the regular ones,
I don't like those because
the insoles keep sliding out. These, they don't.
Yeah. And also, the other ones wear faster.
It just feels a little weird that you gotta get used to them because they're like webbing in the middle.
Yo, you know what a Hummer is?
Yeah.
What? No. What, fucker?
It's an SUV.
What's the Hummer, Mom?
It's a military.
No. What's a Hummer?
You're a perv, Keith.
Tristan got it.
I was just waiting to see if anybody else got it.
I don't know.
when you said it's like a car, if you said it's
A Hummer is like a
when you said car and he smiled, I kind of figured that it wasn't going to be like.
Well, I figured it's gonna be a car, like a
I've never heard of it. I used it in that.
man.
Content.
Cousin Josh always does it. Always says it.
Joshua?
I was just gonna say he does it.
Wait until I see Josh.
He always says it.
Me and Josh are going to have a conversation like, yo.
He does it.
He says his girl.
You said that.
Exactly.
It's on video that you said that.
He always says his girl's gonna give him a Hummer.
No, yeah, it's fine.
Hey, small flock.
Did you ever see one of those big ones?
Really smart.
Oh yeah, that better not go on no fucking Facebook.
Oh, it's going.
Nah, nigga, come
And
on.
then I'm tagging Josh in it too.
No,
Watch it and then listen.
y'all fucked up.
Look, the trail's getting creepier and fucking creepier now.
Yeah, I would love to go camping here.
I wanted to go camping here. I'm waiting on your mom to see what the hell.
Which way do we go down?
I think it's that way.
I don't think.
That way or that way?
No, I'm pretty sure it's that way. Because I think
that
that.
way or this way?
Jen, which way do you think it is?
I freak out. I don't know.
Well, the kids came up from this way.
Where are they? Oh, they're going down that way.
You're marking on the tree.
Oh, remember.
But you're not supposed to go towards it. The little fishes are gonna
Lightning
come
bug.
over people. Why are lightning bugs out in daytime?
That's because it's dark here.
I hear a bird. Or something flying.
Huh? I said it. You're so dumb. Holy shit, look at that.
And then we all try to go down. Christian needs to stick.
Look at poor Jen, they're leaving her behind.
That's fine with me. One can go at her own pace.
Okay, my main family. You gotta meet Dad. You gotta meet Zach. You gotta meet Steven, Amber.
Did you really? You busted both. Yeah. Oh, I missed it. Do it again.
No, not now.
You know why?
I hear shit down there. Yo, if I see bears, every person for themselves. I'm just letting you know. I love you, but he's like, goodbye.
You know, if you see a bear and you say every person for himself, you better hope that you're down at the
Sorry,
bottom.
the first person I'll be picking up is I'll pick her up and run.
Did you hear me?
What?
You better hope you're at the bottom.
What?
Because I will be pushing you the fuck over, and I don't care that you're going down a cliff into your death.
You're fucked up.
You're gonna leave me? You're gonna leave me die to a bear? I'm
not leaving you die. I'm giving you a 50-50 chance.
I'll help you out. We'll help each other out, but every man for himself. I'm not helping you.
I already said I was trying to pick you up.
I will be throwing you, and you're gonna
realize
die.
when you
Well,
run, a bear
if somebody finds the tape, they just know you committed murder, so.
But I will.
All they gotta do
already
is
be
find
dead.
your
that where you
phone.
came down?
Make a difference.
Huh?
I'd already be dead.
How would you be dead already?
Because
It's a
bear-
50-50 chance.
Yeah, right.
You don't know. He might go after Chavez. He might go after...
This was not the way.
Babe, this is it. The bridge is right over there. Genius. Remember? That's where the kids were playing that I was recording.
Well, I mean, you could. It's really steep. There were steps to the.
Babe, calm down.
Should be the bridge up ahead.
The bridge is right there.
My sister's old boyfriend, when we were doing stuff like this, we were climbing on hills and
Take
stuff.
a picture of the sign because we are not gonna listen to it.
We are basically, he's like, you realize if you say about yourself.
Was this here last year?
Yeah.
Yes, it was.
What is this word, Mom?
Swimming, wadding.
What's rotting?
It means you can't do it. Oh, prohibit means you can't do it.
Creepy.
Does that mean like,
So pretty much.
what we were doing last year, we were not allowed to do?
Oh, I think the current's stronger this year.
Probably is. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Good luck with it.
Steps.
Okay, baby. Me, you, and Dill's gonna go in here. And I think mine is too.
Yeah, babe, you gotta be careful. The current's a lot stronger.
Okay.
And it looks deeper. Huh?
I ain't bringing you down.
Come on, just go.
Like last year. Unlike this